In this video, I'm going to talk through the allegory of the cave and what everything represents, according to the interpretations of Socrates and Plato. So inside the cave, the prisoners are looking at shadows on walls. But these shadows are presented to them as the true objects, when really they're just the reflections of objects being carried behind their heads. So what they're seeing is false. They're seeing lies. So who are these prisoners who are not seeing the truth? Well, he says that these people are us in our lack of education. And that's most people, according to Plato. This is when we take what we see as true all the time, and we believe what's put before us, and we don't really search for more knowledge. Now the guards are the people in power who are committed to us not knowing very much. And for Socrates, these guards were the elite of Athens who wanted to keep political control. The cave itself is our world. And then when we get outside the cave and we see these things outside, those are the real things. That's the truth. And what are true, real things? Well, for Plato, they're forms. And we'll talk a little bit more in another video about what forms are. And then when he ultimately sees the sun, he realizes the sun is what gives truth to gives light or truth to all of the things outside, and it is a sense the cause of everything. And so for Plato, he calls this the good. We're not going to focus that much on what the good is. So if we think about what it means to know the things outside the cave, or what we're doing when we're inside the cave, I think that this image could help. So inside the cave, when we're experiencing only false things, Plato calls what we have of them opinion, or doxa is the word he uses. Because it can't be knowledge, because remember, you can only know true things. Knowledge is justified true belief. So when we go outside the cave and we see true things, which he calls the forms, now we're having knowledge. This is knowledge according to Plato.